Okay, today we are going to discuss about the latest paper, October 2024, Unit 1, Mechanics and Materials. Okay, so in this, we are going to see about the MCQ part today. So the first question here is, which of the following is unit is equivalent to the watt? So we know watt means it is based on the quantity power. So power is work done over time, or we can say it is energy by time. So based on these quantities, we have to check which of the following option is correct. So energy we are expressing in joule and time is per second. So joule second inverse. So the option is D. Question number 2. Which row of the table gives the two vector quantities? So you have to check which one will give both the vector quantities. So option A, we have acceleration and weight. If you know, we take weight means it has a direction downwards. Okay, weight, that is mg. Same as acceleration means any object can accelerate in any direction. So that also have a direction. So we can say acceleration and weight both are vector quantities because they have magnitude, but at the same time they have direction also. So answer is A. Question number 3. The displacement time graph for a person running race is shown. Which of the following gives the average velocity of the person? Okay, so when you see this graph, this is not a straight line graph, it is an irregular graph. So here the y-axis displacement and the x-axis time taken. Average velocity, we know that average velocity is given by the equation total distance by total time. Okay, so which of the option will give the answer for this part? Area between the curve, so area won't give the velocity. So option A is wrong. Gradient of a tangent to the curve at 4 hours. You can draw tangent here because they say average velocity. Tangent is for at a particular point or instantaneous velocity. Gradient of tangent, so this also we can't, this also can't. So the only option is total distance or displacement is 4 hours by the time 4 hours. So the correct answer is D. Okay, so that's the answer for question number 3. Let's move the next question. The photograph shows a cable car hanging from a cable. The cable car is in equilibrium. So equilibrium means the resultant force acting on that object is zero. Which of the following forms a Newton's third law pair of force with the weight of the cable car? So we know the cable car is this. So weight of the cable car is acting downwards. So according to Newton's third law, there should be a force which should act upwards. That is called reaction force, and this is called action force. So the Newton's third law property is very important here. So you should know all the properties based on that. So they should have same type of force. That is one property. Same type of force, equal in magnitude. Okay, but opposite in direction. They must act on two separate objects. Okay, so these are the some properties of Newton's third law. So here you can see weight of the cable car is down. So there is a force which acts just opposite to that. So air resistance, it can't be. Upthrust also can't be. Normal contact force also can't be. Why? Because weight and normal contact force are two different types of force. We need here same type of force. So the only option is gravitational pull of cable car on the earth. Look, weight is already a gravitational force, right? So weight and gravitation pull both are same type of force. So the correct option is B. Question number 5. A box slides down a slope at a constant speed.